Hi guys, I hope you are well. I'm Amin from Amin channel. I'm back with a new tutorial of motion graphic in Cinema 4D. Before I start, I want to thank you very much for always supporting me on YouTube and LinkedIn. Today we are going to talk about this motion graphic in Cinema 4D. As I promised, I tried to explain this scene for my recent 3D motion graphics. I apologize for being late. As always, I'll be very happy if you introduce me to your friend on LinkedIn or YouTube. Jumping. Well, as you can see, the layering of my project is in the form of folder on the right side, which are divided into lights, objects, and cameras respectively. In the lights folder, we see the type of light that exists in the scene. I place a light behind the window to provide interior light. For the scene, I put the sunlight for the general atmosphere, and the light I consider for the table to show a better contrast of the wood texture. In the cameras folder, there are two cameras. In the cameras folder, there are two cameras, one of which is placed for the close-up view of the table and the other is placed for movement in the scene. I activate Octane Render to see the scene in the term of light and shadows. In the object folder, I put three window, table, and interior objects are placed. I made the tree with the Forester plugin. When I turn it off, the shadow of the leaves on the wall is not visible, and its existence has made my work more beautiful and detailed. Let's go to the window folder. I use a helix and extrude to make it. And the grid on the window is 4 simple cylinders. Where is sunlight, which you can see when I change the angle of its rotation, the state of light and shadow that fall on the wall changes. And with its animation, a beautiful scene is created with the movement of the camera. I also put a series of objects on the table. Here are the lights that I gave to the legs of the table, so that we can see a better light shade on the wood and its texture. Seeing the details for rendering is an important part of the job. The only things you should consider for this minimal work is the simplicity and attention to the details of the scene, which can help the object in the scene to be seen better. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. Thank you yourself for watching a new tutorial today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and introduce my channel on YouTube and LinkedIn to your friends. Have a nice day. amin-edalatipour اینورا دنبال پیشرفت میریم تا پلوتون تو هم همین سر نخو بگیر و برو دو آره لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره مرسی